Professors without borders, UNILAG.
PROWIBO is practical. PROWIBO is refreshing.
PROWIBO is organized.
PROWIBO is wonderful.
PROWIBO is insightful.
PROWIBO is beneficial. PROWIBO is outstanding.
When I realized the principle of leadership in terms of business and entrepreneurship.
It was when I realized life itself is a privilege.
So when Dr. Justyna took us a class and told us something about how that when you're really honest with yourself, then you never really make a bad decision. I think that was very bad.
That was the time we had to do the meditation session before we began the classes, and it was amazing.
It was when we were given the form to fill for a business plan. It was an awesome moment for me, and it was just wow.
Alright, because of PROWIBO, I better understand myself and my place in society and the contributions that I'm going to make as an individual, both financially and socially in my work.
Because of PROWIBO, I now have a great knowledge of how to run my business.
Because of PROWIBO, I am going to impact what I have learned into my own personal business.
Because of PROWIBO, I'm going to contribute to the sustainable development goals.